I'm going to show you how I make the portobello mushroom. I have 8 ounces of portobello mushroom, 2 tablespoons of green onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger. I'm going to cook the portobello mushroom first. I put a little bit oil in it and turn on high heat. Okay, I'm going to pan fry it. Okay, when they cooking the mushroom right now, I'm going to show you how I make the sauce. I have 1/4 cup of just water, and I got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Gonna mix. And I have 2 tablespoons of green onion and 1 teaspoon of ginger. And I turn on high heat always. You need to brown them a little bit first. Okay, I'm going to turn in the other side of the mushroom over there. See how they pan fry are nice and brown at one side? There you go. Okay, I'm going to fry a little bit and turn it just like that, right? Okay, so you see the mushroom look all really nice now and soft, so I'm going to put some ginger in it. And some green onion. Then I'm going to pour some sauce over it. Okay, then I'm using 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of water. Okay. So this is all done. Let me get a plate. Okay, that's how I make it today, the portobello mushroom, the Chinese one.